welcome back to the channel. We're about to start on this thing and get it wired up.
So what all are we doing?
Well, hopefully we can get it wired enough to make it hit a lick. That's what we're going after. We're going to try to make sure and see if we get some fire. That's it.
Yep, what are we wiring up right here?
Well, right now this one, it goes to the ignition.
For the kill switch.
For the kill switch. So we're going to get that.
That chair is not going to make it.
Is that a fat joke?
We got, like we was talking about, don't use that solder from Walmart. We got some good stuff. Where did we get it from?
This comes from Lowe's.
Lowe's, and it works 1,000 times better.
Yeah, it's absolutely great. Like, there's still solder on this.
It's a lot better than the old. Because it's so thin, it just wouldn't apply.
But it was good. It's as good as the first one we used on the car.
Yeah.
Because the one on the car was great.
The one on the car was good. It's just that one we bought from Walmart isn't.
No.
But
look, that's just from what was on it.
So we're getting that wired up, and so we're trying to run the kill switch, trying to get everything up to this handle, all the wires coming down ran, and wrap that part up to run everything there. And then where do you think we'll move on to? The brakes? Or are you going to try to wire up the switch?
Probably, I don't know if I'll wire the switch or bypass the switch at first, just to see if we can get fire. Because that's my goal. Oh gosh. You see how hot that was?
Yeah.
Fire.
But yeah, so we're going to just probably try to bypass it and maybe fire it up in this.
In this video.
Yeah.
Right back away.
What do you call that right there?
That's called ingenuity.
The safe way.
The safe way. I got scars from it.
So what we're gonna run this.
This is the brake.
This goes to the brake up there, don't it?
Yeah, and we're
which will run it to our brakes. Wow.
Right, and then when we get the back brake switch, we'll splice it.
We'll splice it in, yeah. So this is so our back brake will work, but the light will light up.
Yeah, whenever you
hit it,
squeeze that.
So this is the front brake on this side?
No, that's the clutch. Here's the brake.
Where's the front brake?
Right here.
Where's the back brake?
Right here, but you got to buy a switch that goes back here, and it hooks in right here, and when you push this brake down,
it engages.
It engages it.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty cool. I've seen it, but you know, I've never worked on a bike until now.
So we're gonna get this wired up and move on.
Yeah, hopefully we can get this thing started. Well, I don't know if we'll get. Hopefully we can just get it to hit a lick today.
Yeah, I don't know about fully started
because we don't have no gas.
I know.
But if we can get it just to turn over,
turn over here.
Know we have fire.
Then that'll be great.
That's our goal today.
So we'll see.
We will see. Hunter, what are you doing, man?
We're gonna put this spark plug in here since we got some nail ones.
Yeah. Hopefully we can get some fire to this thing.
And this is a lot tighter fit than.
Yeah, well, it's harder, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what, Hunter, you got a spaghetti mess going over here.
I know. It's gonna take some time to.
Yeah, I mean, right now we're just trying to figure it out. But right now,
we got a little bit of it figured out.
Oh, we got a little bit of it, but my goodness, who would have known this would have been? Well, I mean, it absolutely had no wiring, did it?
I need that 916 socket.
All right. It absolutely had no wiring to it whatsoever. So we're having to figure it out, aren't we?
Yeah.
You need a ratchet?
I need the big one.
The
green one.
The green. You know, you got to go green on these things.
It might even be metric. We don't know.
Well, I don't know on spark plugs. Is that it?
That's it.
All right. I'll go over here and get you a ratchet, okay?
Alrighty.
All right, guys, this is exciting.
A little scary.
A little sketchy, but look, guys, we're going to try this thing out, and why not break out the trusty battery booster? So, we're going to really try this out. So, we're hoping we're right here.
So we're going to set you up on a tripod.
Yeah, we're going to set you up and let you, because we don't know right now, because we got wires going everywhere. Are you still videoing?
Yeah.
Okay. If we're in gear or not. So this could be great. Because I'm not moving all these wires to try it. So guys, watch this. This could be really interesting.
I'm going to have my foot on the brake.
Yeah. I mean, we don't know yet. Wish us luck. We don't even know if it'll do anything.
Yeah, I know.
All right, guys, here we go.
When do I do it?
Huh?
When do I hit it?
As soon as I turn this on.
Nothing.
Okay. Nothing.
That means it didn't work.
Well, I mean, we might not have it hooked right.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm telling you.
Yeah. Okay, I see what I gotta do.
Undo that.
Undo this.
Is that off?
Yeah, but I'm gonna undo it.
I'm going to pause the video.
All right, pause it because I'm gonna switch a wire around. All right, guys. Now, if this don't work, we're gonna try something else because we're not using an ignition switch. So, I mean, we're gambling here. Is this gonna work? Yeah. All right. So,
That means back to the drawing board.
back to the drawing board, guys. All right, let's try this real quick. You ready?
Hit the button.
Yeah. No, don't worry about it. Yeah, go ahead. Huh.
I wonder if that cell noise bad.
It could be. Let me take this over and just put it on the starter.
Alrighty.
That might do it.
That ground still needs to be hooked up, don't it?
Yeah. I'll still get it. Let me get over here.
You leaving it on?
Huh. I don't even know if we have enough boost in this thing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, it
Well,
might not get
let me ground to the
bike.
bike itself, and then do it. What do you say?
Alright, let's do it.
Huh.
We're gonna have to figure this out.
Gosh, what a mess we have.
Yeah, this might be off for this video. because-
Hold on, you know what we done last time?
What?
We used a battery.
Yeah, our car battery. But
Should we do that again?
I don't know. Should we?
All right, guys, we'll catch you right here in a second. All right, guys. Well, I mean, we took the best shot at it tonight. I mean, we tried to
Just skip some stuff.
we didn't hook up everything. We was just trying to get fire down there and get it at least turned over so we can hear it. But guys, we're gonna have to do a lot more wiring that we found out. So hey guys, we'll come back and get with you. So hey, I hope you liked the video. It might be short, but you know, this is a progress. This is a
Very long process.
long process. I did not expect it. I didn't think a bike would be as harder than a car.
Well, it's because we're not familiar with the bike system.
That's true. I mean, I've never wired on a bike.
And stuff was cut away before we got it.
Yeah, so I mean, we might even have to break down.
I hope not.
I hope not, but hey.
We might have to go every wire undone and redo
Yeah,
it.
we might just have to redo it all. But guys, like, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification button down there. And just follow us, guys, because we love doing these for you. So
Oh, yeah.
we'll see you later.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.